Hi, my name is Brendan Lim, and I'm an aura migrainer. Like, that's a thing. Disclaimer alert, I'm not a health professional, I'm not a doctor, and I still haven't found a cure for migraines. But I found ways to stop the pain, the headache, the nausea, and the vomiting from happening at all. Like they never exist. I can still walk around, I can still talk to people during a migraine. You probably clicked this video because you just had a migraine, or you're having one right now. Or, like me, you're just tired of it. So when the migraine strikes, usually an aura to my side, or when I'm sensitive to light, these are the 5 things that I do. Tip number 1, and probably the most important tip in this video: don't lie on your back, or simply don't lie down. Maybe you heard tips that if you have a migraine, you should go to rest, maybe you should take a nap or sleep. I used to take a nap or go to sleep during a migraine, but almost every time, like 9 out of 10, I always go to the bathroom to vomit. So in my own personal theory is that because a migraine happens right here at the back of your neck, so if you lie down and put pressure into your neck, it can cause you to be nauseated. So maybe this tip can be helpful for you. Don't lie down. Number 2, just try to sit back and relax. Number 3, take a paracetamol medicine. Disclaimer, of course, you need to consult with your doctor first before you take any medicine. Make sure you do your research well, make sure you consult with the right doctors. Number 4, you can try to close your eyes while you have migraines. Sit back, close your eyes, and try your best to relax and don't think about anything bad. Just focus on the good stuff. I know it is not easy to do, but just try your best. An important tip, don't panic. And number 5, be at ease and don't do any extreme activities. Of course, during a migraine, avoid running or do heavy tasks, or continue doing stunts on stage like you're a rock star. Stay calm, give it time, 30 minutes to an hour, just stay there and relax. And with that, I will let you rest, and hopefully these tips can help you too. But if it doesn't, please seek help from the professional. Migraines can be very annoying, but we need to carry on with life, so make sure you take good care of your health.